Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Reels, an easy guide. First, ensure you have a verified PayPal account ready, as well as an active, professional Reels account. You will need to be eligible for monetization on the platform, which typically requires meeting certain viewership and follower thresholds. Having these details prepared in advance will make the entire process much smoother and faster for you today. Once inside your Reels app, access your professional dashboard from your profile page. From there, locate and tap on the Tools section to reveal additional options for creators. Next, you will see Monetization. Select this, then proceed to Payout Account Settings. This is where you can manage how you receive your earnings from the platform. Within the payout settings, you will find an option to add new payment method. Select PayPal from the available choices. You will then be securely redirected to PayPal's official login page. Please enter your PayPal email and password to log in and authorize the connection. Review the permissions requested by Reels before you click to confirm the link. Once you have successfully authorized the connection, you will be automatically redirected back to your Reels payout settings. You should now see PayPal listed as your primary or an available payment method. Sometimes, a small verification deposit, perhaps a few cents, might be sent to your PayPal account to confirm the link. If you face any issues, always check your PayPal status or contact platform support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.